The ArcGIS Living Atlas is a great resource for accessing data from around the world. Living Atlas items can be added directly to your projects and maps, but if necessary, you can also download many of the items. In this GeoSnap, I will demonstrate how to export a feature service from the Living Atlas to your machine using ArcGIS Pro. To start, I have ArcGIS Pro open and I'm going to go to the portal and search in the Living Atlas for Canadian census data. To help, I will filter the search to just feature layers. Once I find the layer I want, I can add it to my map. Then I can right-click on the layer in the Contents pane, go to Data, and Export Features. In this window, I choose where I want to store the exported layer and what I want to name it. From there, I hit Save, OK, and then once it's done loading, I have the exact same data as the original layer, but now it's stored on my machine. Now, sometimes the export layer option is unavailable. You can still create a local version using geoprocessing tools. I've added another layer from the Living Atlas, but this time the export features option is grayed out. So instead, I will open the geoprocessing pane and use the export features tool, but the copy features tool can also be used for this. I set the input layer to the Living Atlas layer and then assign a local output and hit run. This tool also gives additional options under filter, fields, and sort to refine the output layer if desired. Once the tool has run, you'll have a copy of the layer on your own machine, ready for display or analysis. Happy mapping!